Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to pass the Upwork Readiness test and get a Rising Talent badge. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel. To access the test, please go to the Find Work tab and select the test. This type of window will appear. Click on Start Test. You have to solve the 10 questions in 10 minutes. All questions are easy. Just follow me to get 100% correct solution of this test. If you are ready, click on the Start Test button. Now follow me step by step to answer all the questions. Read all the questions carefully to answer them. You can see that we have passed all the questions successfully. If you have not already attempted this test and you are new to Upwork, you will get the Rising Talent badge very soon. If you have any question, please ask in the comment box. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates from my channel.